Hello everyone, this is Amar Kumar and today I am going to discuss the BPSC exam pattern and the new course which is being uploaded today on the BPSC Unacademy. So as we know that BPSC conducts the exam in three different stages. First of all, you have to qualify the prelims exam. After prelims, you have to face the mains, and after qualifying the prelims and mains, you will be called for the interview. So let's see what are the syllabus and exam pattern of the BPSC prelims. There will be only one paper for the prelims exam. The total number of questions in this paper will be 150 and the duration of the exam will be 2 hours. All the questions will be of objective type, that is MCQ question will be there. There will be the 5 options. You have to select the correct answer. The mode of exam will be offline, means you have to bubble the answer on OMR sheet. After qualifying this BPSC prelims exam, you will be called for the mains exam. In mains exam, you have to face the 4 papers. The first paper will be Hindi. So this Hindi paper is just for the qualifying nature, and the rest 3 paper will be GS paper 1, GS paper 2, and your one optional paper. This paper is also subjective type, and you have to write your answer in descriptive manner, right? So prepare for the mains along with your prelims exam. After qualifying this mains exam, you will be called for the interview. So total marks of interview will be 120 marks. Your final merit list will be issued based on the marks scored in the mains exam as well as your interview. So this is very important round. So let's talk about the prelims exam. What are the pattern of the prelims exam? One paper will be there only. Total number of questions will be 150. The duration of exam will be 2 hours. Objective type question will be there, and the mode of exam will be offline. You have to use your pen paper. This is the screening test. Now we will talk about the syllabus. And the most important thing, there is no negative marking in your screening test, means BPSC prelims exam have no negative mark. What are the syllabus of the prelims exam? General science, very important, in which physics, chemistry and biology will be there. Just go through the syllabus of the 6th to 10th class. Just go through the syllabus of 6th to 10th class. Your science portion will be covered. Physics, chemistry and biology will be there. Each year at least 20 to 30 questions are being asked from this science portion. Then next, and very important, events of national and international importance, that is current affairs. Each year current affairs is also carries the 25 to 30 marks weightage. The next topic is your history of Bihar, means the specific topic of Bihar, like geography of Bihar, history of Bihar, Indian polity and economics of Bihar, the changes in the economy of Bihar post independence, Indian national movement and the role of Bihar. Then general mental ability, at least 10 questions are being asked each year from the general mental ability. So these are the complete syllabus for the your BPSC prelims exam. Now talking about the mains exam, I have already told that in mains exam you have to face 4 papers. The first paper is your general Hindi. This is just for the qualifying nature. Total marks will be 100. You have to score 30 marks in this, and the duration of the exam will be 3 hours. Then second paper will be GS paper 1. GS paper 1 will have 300 marks and the duration of the exam will be 3 hours. GS paper 2 300 marks and duration will be 3 hours. Then the final, your optional paper will be of total marks 300 and the duration of the exam will be 300. Now main syllabus, what are the main syllabus? I have already told you, Hindi is just a qualifying nature. In GS paper 1, you have to go through the Indian culture, modern history of India, contemporary events of the national and international importance, statistical analysis, diagram and the graph. This is the mathematical statistical portion. In GS paper 2, you have to study polity, economics and geography, along with the very most important topic, the role of and the impact of science and technology in the development of India and Bihar. Very important topic. And this topic is important for your interview also. So your total marks of the mains paper is 100. Now these are the list of optional paper you can take as per your comfortability, your convenience, right? So more than 30 subjective objective paper is available. Subjective paper is available for your optional paper. Now I will talk about the course which is being live from today onwards, that is 30th July. The name of this batch course is ACE. The mode and the medium of language for this batch course will be purely English. Educator will use bilingual for understanding and teaching, but the notes and PDF will be provided in English medium only. The duration of each class will be 90 minutes, right? The subject covered will be history, economics, polity, geography, science and technology, and current affairs, means the complete syllabus, right? Each educator will teach you from the basic to your mains level, and they will guide till your interview. So remember, the batch start date is 30th July. Which educator will teach you which subject? So this is the list of the educator. Rajiv Singh sir will teach you history, and Sasi Saran sir will teach you economics. Anand Prakash Chaube sir will teach you polity and geography, very important topic. And Amar Kumar means I will teach you science and technology and current affairs. Complete current affairs and science and technology will be covered by me. So these are the star of BPSC, Unacademy BPSC platform. Sasi Saran sir, topmost educator on Unacademy. He has teaching experience of more than 5 years, right? And Rajiv Singh sir, he has already cracked the BPSC exam. He has secured the 25th rank in 52nd BPSC. He will teach you complete history, right? Then Anand Prakash Chaube sir, a very renowned name in Delhi, in Mukherjee Nagar. Now he is live at BPSC Unacademy. He has teaching experience of more than 9 years. He will teach you polity and geography in depth. Then myself, Amar Kumar, I have teaching experience of more than 5 years. I have done MTech from IIT, and I am also a faculty at Ellen Career Institute. So these are the topmost educator who will carry this course. Now the most important thing, how you have to take the subscription. If you have not installed the Unacademy Learning app, then go to the Google Play Store, install it, and enroll with your mobile number and email ID, and select the goal. You have to select your goal as the BPSC, right? Get the subscription. There will be a symbol for the plus subscription. Click on this. You will be going through the get subscription option. This is the price chart of the subscription. If you want to take the subscription for the 1 month, then you have to pay 1260. If you want to take the subscription for 3 months, then you have to pay this amount. But I will suggest that take the subscription for at least 1 year or 2 years, so that you will be guided till your interview also. So take the subscription for 12 months or 1 year and enjoy the subscription. How to attend the live class? After taking the subscription, you are able to go or visit any live class which is going on and which is upcoming. You can enroll the live classes also, so that you will get notification through the app or through the offline message, right? So how you will find a PDF and notes after the class? After the completion of class, you will just go through that video link. You will be directed to view the PDF. You can download this PDF for your convenience. Just I will suggest you that make your own notes, revise it, right? Cyclic revision is the key of success. So keep cyclic revision. You can also attend the live poll, live classes, in which different educators will carry the quiz. So there will be a dedicated doubt class session also. If you have any doubt regarding the topic, you can clear your doubt in dedicated class. There will be a weekly quiz also, so that you can assess your preparation level. After completion of each topic, the educator will arrange a mega quiz, right? Mega quiz. And this mega quiz is very important for the assessment of your preparation. So these are the course structure. I hope you understood everything. So thank you very much for watching this session. I hope we will meet on the plus. Thank you.